If you are a Jamaican living outside of Jamaica, anywhere in the world, and you have an adult passport, you got married in the last 10 years, and you're looking to have it renewed and have your married name added, this video is for you. If you have a 10-year passport and you are adding your married name to it, expired or unexpired, please know this application will take 3 to 5 months. This means you need to get on that right away. Check your passport now to see if it's expired, or if it's not expired but you want to change your name in the passport, get on it now. Applications that require additional documents like an ID or a marriage certificate, they must be sent to Jamaica to be verified. You cannot send it yourself. You must send it through the consulate, and because of that, it is going to take 3 to 5 months. So, if you are looking for a sign, if you should check your